In this lesson, we will learn how to secure switch console access. By default, any users can gain access to the privilege mode of a Cisco switch via the console port without any passwords. Therefore, we will secure switch console access so that when an user accesses the switch via console port, it requires the user to provide either of the following credentials: simple password or local username and password. After providing correct credential, the user is placed in the user mode. When the user types enable, it requires the user to provide passwords to access the private mode. Back in the old day, to configure the exec mode password, we usually use the command enable password, and then we specify the password. In this case, it is Cisco Skills, and then we hit enter. Please note that to configure the enable password, we have to be at the switch configuration mode. However, the enable password store the password in clear text. Therefore, nowadays it's preferable to use the enable secret. Therefore, if the enable secret is set, it will override the enable password, which means you have to use the password that you set in the enable secret command to get into the exec mode password. Let's do it in Cisco Skill 1. Here we are in the exec mode. Let's get to the configuration mode, and we issue the command enable password, and we issue the password Cisco Skills, and then hit enter. Let's verify it. Show run. As you can see, the enable password is set and is stored in the clear text. The password in this case is Cisco Skills. Let's get back to the user mode and log back in with the enable command, and you have to enter the password Cisco Skills to get in. To configure the exec mode password in the switch configuration mode, we issue the command enable secret and we provide the password, and in this case we type in Cisco Skill, then hit enter. Let's do it in Cisco Skill Switch 1. As you can see, we are in the private mode, so let's go to the configuration mode and we issue the command enable secret, and we type in the password Cisco Skill, then hit enter and X out of the configuration mode and show run. As you can see, this is the secret password that has been encrypted by the Cisco switch. And now let's get out of the private mode to the user mode, and now we type in the command enable to access the private mode. As you can see, now it requires us to enter the password, and we have to enter the password in order to get in. To configure the console password at the switch configuration mode, we issue the command line console 0, then hit enter. It will bring us to the line configuration mode. We need to issue the command password and provide the password. In this case, we set the password as Cisco Skill, then hit enter. Now, in order to force the user to log in at the console, we have to type in the command login, then hit enter. Let's do it in Cisco Skill Switch 1, and we just hit enter, and it brings us to the user mode. We type in enable. Now we need to type in the secret password, and we need to go to configuration mode and line console 0 to go to the line configuration mode and type in the password Cisco Skills and hit enter and force the user to log in. Then we X out of this and show run, and we put in section line As you can see in the line console 0, and the password set to Cisco skill, and it forced the user to log in. Now let's X out of the private mode to go to the user mode, and then X out of this and hit enter. As you can see, this is the console password that we need to type in Cisco skills to get to the user mode. And now we type in enable, and we need to type in the password to get to the private mode. To make the user log in to the console using local username and password, at the switch configuration mode, we issue the command username and provide the username. In this case, it is Cisco skills, then secret, and provide the password. In this case, is also Cisco skill, then hit enter. This command created the user with the username Cisco skill and password Cisco skills. After that, we issue the command like console 0, then hit enter. It will bring us to the like console configuration mode, and we issue the command login local. Local here means login using the local username and password, then hit enter. Let's do it in Cisco skills switch 1. Here we are in the private mode. Let's go to the configuration mode, and we issue the command username Cisco skills and secret, also Cisco skills, then we hit enter. Now let's go to the console, type in like console 0, then hit enter, and type in the password login local, then hit enter. X out it and show run section user, and hit enter. As you can see, we created the user with the username Cisco skill, and the password has been encrypted. Now let's show run in section line. As you can see, it forced the login with the local username and password. Now X out of the private mode, and then hit enter. Now it asks us for the username. We have to type in Cisco skills, and it asks us for the password. We need to type in the password Cisco skill to get to the user mode. Now type in the password, then get to the private mode.